Hi, BrenTech here, where tech is made simple. So as I've mentioned previously on the channel, Microsoft Edge in the stable version has the ability to use the auto picture-in-picture window, but it's very limited to a small subset of sites. Now, just to let you know that you can get this feature to work in Edge Canary and Chrome Canary across the board. So I thought just a quick video to show you the new auto picture-in-picture before it becomes fully functional in both the stable version of Google Chrome and the stable version of Microsoft Edge. Now, auto picture-in-picture is different to your normal pip window, where in your normal picture-in-picture, if you are using pip, when you navigate away or to the actual video plane, the home page for the video plane, that picture-in-picture window will always be present. And this is not the case with auto picture-in-picture. So if we start with Microsoft Edge, and we navigate to another tab, we can see it pops up automatically. And when this first happens, you will get a couple of permissions. Allow this time, allow on every visit, don't allow. I'm going to say allow this time, and there we go. So if I head back to the video, you can see it carries on playing in the video, which is not the case currently in stable version. And if I navigate away, it goes into picture-in-picture. And this is already a feature that's available in Firefox, and I actually think this is a very nice feature. I quite like this, and I think they need to hurry up and get this fully functional into the stable version of both browsers. And something else is if we just head to our site information, yeah, you will get automatic picture-in-picture. So you've got permissions. So as mentioned, you can allow, block, or ask default. So I've left it at ask. So every time it opens, it'll ask me the different permissions. So there's a bit of customization. And if we head over to Canary, just to show you in this browser, it's exactly the same. I navigate away, there we go, allow this time, there's your permissions. Head back, carries on playing in the main video, head to a new tab, there's my picture-in-picture. And the same would apply if we head to our site information in Chrome Canary. We can see automatic picture-in-picture, and you can toggle the feature on or off and reset your permission. So this is a little bit different to how it is in Microsoft Edge, but give or take very similar. So, and that's the new auto picture-in-picture, and just wanted to show you that in real time in case you would be interested, because I actually think that is a nice feature. So thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.